Microsoft Dynamics 365 Customer Insights, Journeys, Functional Consultant MB-220 Exam Updated Dumps or the latest version in the whole market. Share some updated Microsoft MB-220 exam dumps here. 1. Your marketing department created a recurring outbound customer journey so the contacts are reprocessed at regular intervals during the active period. The marketing manager indicates that the customer journey with a future end date has been in a stopped state. The marketing manager wants to enable the contacts to continue being reprocessed in the journey. What should you do? A. Increase the iterations count value. B. Manually update the state to live. C. Select check for errors and then select go live. D. Update the recurring interval. 2. You recently implemented Dynamics 365 Customer Insights, Journeys. You need to enable a previously created marketing list to be available for the subscription center. What does the marketing list member type need to be in order to do this? A. Customer. B. Lead. C. Account. D. Contact. 3. You created several surveys in Microsoft Dynamics 365 Customer Voice. You need to leverage the integration with Customer Voice in Microsoft Dynamics 365 Marketing. What are 3 ways you can do so? Each correct answer presents a complete solution note. Each correct selection is worth 1 point. A. Use question responses in segmentations. B. Use question responses in lead scoring model configurations. C. Add questions as content library. D. Add survey links using out-of-the-box controls. E. Refer to surveys in the Outbound Customer Journeys Designer. 4. You are a marketing analyst at Contoso, Limited. The sales manager wants to post a Microsoft Dynamics 365 customer voice feedback survey on the company website. The sales manager wants the entire survey to display statically in a page on the site. What should you do? A. Add the button embed code for the survey to the web page. B. Add the HTML source code for the survey to the web page. C. Add the pop-up window embed code for the survey to the web page. D. Add the inline embed code for the survey to the web page. 5. You receive a call from a user stating that the automated lead scoring model is not working correctly. There are several leads that are not being scored. You need to determine the cause of this issue. What could be the cause? A. Leads must be associated with a contact and an account. B. Leads must have submitted a form on the company website. C. Leads must be associated with a contact only. D. Leads must be associated with a contact or an account. 6. You currently have a dynamic marketing segment for anyone living in Singapore that is not based on a template. You need to update this segment to be anyone living in Singapore who has also opened an email this year. What should be done to the marketing segment? A. Add a behavior block that queries emails opened this year. B. Add a query block that queries emails opened this year. C. Add a segment block that has a segment for emails opened. D. Change the template to opened a template. 7. Your organization recently implemented Microsoft Dynamics 365 Marketing. You are educating the marketing team on tools that are available to protect your sender's reputation, such as the backend suppression lists. You need to recommend the backend suppression list that will prevent emails from being sent to certain domains known to be harmful to your sender's reputation. Which backend suppression list should you recommend? A. Spam complaint suppression. B. Hard bounce suppression. C. Email complaint suppression. D. Pattern suppression. 8. You are a marketing analyst at Contoso, Limited. The sales manager surveyed the current customers regarding their satisfaction level with their last support call. Over 6,000 responses were received. The sales manager wants to review individual responses to each question on a survey. After selecting the survey name in the report section of Microsoft Dynamics 365 Customer Voice, what are 2 ways to obtain survey responses? Each correct answer presents a complete solution. Note: each correct selection is worth 1 point. A. Navigate below, display a graphical representation of all responses. B. Select Export All in the report, and all responses are downloaded in a CSV file. C. Select Respondents, and then select the survey name to display all responses. D. Double-click a respondent's name to see their individual responses. 9. You are a Dynamics 365 functional consultant for Contoso Limited. Contoso is expanding to other countries, regions, and you need to translate one of your English surveys into French. Which step should you take to translate the survey so that all of your existing segments and journeys remain intact? A. Update the existing survey, and translate the labels to French. B. Clone the survey, and translate all labels to French. C. Set the form to multilingual, add French, and then translate the labels. D. Create a branched survey that asks the language preference. Then, display the appropriate translated section. 10. You are a marketing analyst at Contoso, Limited. The sales manager wants to utilize a real-time survey embedded in a web page to feed data into customer records. The survey manager would like to distribute the survey through email. You need to ensure that when the user opens the survey it loads within the corporate website. In the survey, you go to Send and then Embed Survey. What should you do next to embed your survey? A. Select pop-up window and place the generated code in your website. B. Select inline and place the generated code in your website. C. Select button and place the generated code in your website. D. Place the generated code in your website.